What is going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Thursday, January the 21st, 2021. Time is 9:28 Eastern. We got about a minute and a half before the market open. In front of you, I have the Nasdaq 100 on a 5-minute time frame. And over here it's Nasdaq on wrinkle bars. So I am trading on a funded account, guys, and we're trying to pass this evaluation account, and you can watch those videos on the links below. So our daily profit goal is $300. We have to pass that evaluation by making $3,000 in a minimum of 10 trading days. That's why we're doing 300 a day without losing $2,500. All right, guys, so we see that the market, the overnight session, the market went all the way up to all this resistance. And so this morning we traced a couple of trend lines. Market retraced, coming down. So we have another trend line here in the bottom. So right now it's touching that trend line with that resistance. So that means that the next candle, when the market opens, we're going to see if it comes up, but it doesn't break. If it doesn't break, then we can take that trade to the downside. But if it breaks and closes above, then chances are it's going to continue to go to the upside, and then we'll be able to take that trade. So with that said, guys, we are just waiting for the market to open, and we're just going to see, we're going to wait the first couple of minutes, see what it does. But again, I'm expecting it for the next candle to come up and then just start going to the downside. So here it is, guys. Market just opened. There's that first candle. What I can do here is take a trade here going to the downside. It'll be kind of risky because we still don't know what the market is trying to do. So I'm just gonna wait the first 5 minutes, but that's what I think it's gonna do. It's just gonna go to the downside. But again, this is, market's coming down, it's doing a little bit of retracement, so we don't know how high it's going to do that retracement before it goes to the downside. But so there it is. A lot of volatility right now. First 5 minutes, so we're in no rush to take trades. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait and see if this candle or the next one, if they break either to the top or to the bottom, and then we can take a trade at that point. So it's still at this point, like I said, it came down here and it's retracing. So this could be the lowest point right now and then continue its way up. Or if it breaks below our trend line and our resistance, then this is the highest point, and then it's going to continue to drop. So it's going to play the waiting game. So I'm going to pause the video and get you guys back when I'm ready to trade. All right, guys, I'm back, and look at that. Market just tanked. So I'm just going to have an order here. Still have 30 seconds for this trade. So what we want is for this to close below that. So we know, in fact, that it is going to keep going lower. And so we'll have our order. I'll probably drop it to 06. Let's go to 06. So let's see if it gets us and then takes us. All right, guys, so we are in this trade. See if the volume is not that crazy and it gets us out right away. Looks like it is going to get us out.
Stop filled.
Alright guys, tuck is out to 50. That was a crazy move. Alright, so you're gonna wait for this candle now to close and see, look for another opportunity. And I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this to here. Okay. All right, guys. So that was just crazy. I mean, we were following the rules, so this is just, you know, stuff that's gonna happen. Broke that trend line, closed below, so we took it at the trend line, but market just decided to go crazy, go all the way up, took us out, so that's okay. So now we're gonna wait and see what it wants to do. We can take another trade, get that money back plus our profits. Now we do take that second trade and we lose, then let's say we'll just call it a day and resume tomorrow. So I'm gonna pause the video, guys, get you guys back. All right, guys, I'm back. So market came down and it closed back down. But oh man, it's not looking good, guys. So just gonna yeah, market came back down. So I'm expecting it to go to the downside, but it's just retracing really wild to the top. So I'm just gonna drop this to where it was last time. So at this point now I have it at 500. I take profit, and what I'll do is I'll put it down here. If it's gonna come down, it's gonna touch that next. So at this point, no need for us to risk this trade, and I'm just gonna give it some space. Man, I'm at a tough spot. It gets me out. All right, let's do this right here. And you know what, guys? Let's just lock in some more profits. It should continue to push. I just don't want it to retrace. It's getting close. Gonna lock some more profits in case it doesn't push all the way down.
Stop filled.
Alright guys, stopped out. I just didn't want to take that risk because we had lost our first trade, but it should continue and may eventually take us. And it actually, if you look back at the video, I think my take profit was already there, so it would have taken us. I was just trying to be a little bit greedy, and you don't want to do that, especially in trading. Just to move your take profit. All right, guys, so that's it, guys. That's it for today. We're gonna take this 180. We're not gonna mess with it no more. I know our daily target profit is 300, but we lost the first trade. We were negative 250. So now we got that money back plus 180. So I'm gonna call it a day. Tomorrow is another day. So we just we are trying to get this evaluation account passed so that we can move to a performance. All right, guys, so I hope you guys like this video. If you have not done so, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.